We've got 3 more scenes to shoot, and my new movie's finished.
And the premiere's at 6, right?
Oh no, the premiere party! I forgot all about it.
Hi, Babs. Just returning this can of glitter I borrowed.
Say, Raquel, you're awesome at throwing parties.
Obvi.
Would you plan my party?
Anything for you, Barbie. Anything.
It's perfect!
Thanks, Raquel. You're the best. Isn't she the best?
Barbie's gonna love this limo I rented for the premiere. But it may have a teensy little problem with the door falling off.
Now, open your eyes.
I'm flying!
Yuck. When Barbie falls in this, she'll stink. As much as her movie.
Bop. Bop, bop, ba-da, bop, bop. Bop. Bop, bop, ba-da, bop, bop.
Catch me, catch me, catch me!
Cut.
Go! Hey,
How'd you like to be official photographer for Barbie's big premiere tonight?
Are you kidding? Anything to be near Barbie. She's so pretty and the camera...
Be there at 6. Take lots of close-ups.
Rockabye, baby, rockabye, baby, rockabye, baby, yeah. Rockabye, baby, rockabye, baby, rockabye, baby, yeah. Yeah!
Can you read my mind? I don't know who you are. Just a friend from another star.
Cut! Okay, that's a wrap, people.
It's so great.
Hello?
We're almost at the theater. I can't wait.
Oh, me either. Me either.
And Raquel, you're doing all this means so much to me. You're a true friend.
I don't know what to say.
It's showtime.
No, I can't. Allow me.
Barbie, is it true your dad's right?
Ow! Barbie, let me leave.
Raquel, are you okay?
Me? Oh, fine.
Big smile now, big smile.
Barbie, right here.
Oh, that's better.
Yo, we're bringing it weak and we're bringing it lame. Whatever we can do to keep it all the same. We're focus tested and radio friendly.
The only thing that matters is that we stay trendy.
Thank you, Raquel. This evening was off the hook.
Yeah, everything went exactly the way I planned.
And nothing more, cause you've all heard the song and dance before. Our phony baloney image is bland, cause we're just another generic boy band.
and here's the awesome cake Raquel ordered.
The cake.
No,
Right!
okay.
No! Let me!
Wow, that was spectacular.
You really know how to entertain, Raquel.